Recently, some ID700mm floating rubber hoses were sent to North America from Nanjing Deers factory. According to the claims requirements, rubber hoses need to be tested from the third party. Bureau Veritas and we, Nanjing Deers, invite BV to do the vessel testing, dimension testing, water pressure testing before delivery. All the results are satisfied by the client. Nanjing Deers strictly follow the ISO 28017 standard for design, production, testing, packaging, etc. of our rubber hose. Our rubber hoses for dredging are manufactured for the compliance with the requirements of modern dredging equipment and suitability for severe service conditions, which enables maximum profit in large and long-term projects. We can also offer various solutions even for the most sophisticated requirements of our customers. Also, we guarantee high quality and service for a reasonable price. If you are interested in any of dredge hoses or would like to speak to us for further about your dredging hoses requirements, please contact Nanjing Deers at 8625-8450-7790 or email us at benny@chinarubberfender.com.